It's not a happy day yet.
Yeah. Alright, so we're about to take a ride on the Skyride here at Busch Gardens in Tampa. This ride has been closed for the last 4 years due to the pandemic, staff shortages, and parts shortages, and a few other things, but they just refurbished it and got everything up and running again, so we're taking our first ride since the reopening. We came here a few weeks ago when they first opened it, and it was down because of wind that day, but it's open today, so let's take a ride on it. And I'll take a picture, take some videos of the view. We're leaving the station now. There we are. So,
Hi.
yep, so we're gonna go underneath Cheetah Hunt here in a second. See, I get a nice view from up here. But in the second half, like after we get off at one station and go to the next, we'll go over the safari area.
They used to let you go all around.
I mean, like you could get off. I mean, you can do it without getting off. You're saying?
You could do a round trip. They used to. But there's only animals you can see.
Oh yeah, there's the gazelles.
Yeah, the gazelles.
Yeah, Cheetah Hunt is down at the moment. Hopefully I can get on it later. Yeah, today's my first day as a Platinum Pass member here. I used to have a Gold Pass, but they had a deal on it, so it was only like $3 more a month than I was paying for my Gold Pass. And I'm already starting to enjoy some of these nice extra perks that comes with it. Like I get the Platinum Member Services window, which I went to resolve an issue because I was still getting charged for the old Gold Pass, and so I was paying double for that and my Platinum Pass, so I got them to get the Gold Pass off my account and just so I can just use only the Platinum going forward. Oh, there's the elephants down there.
And we're gonna go past here.
Yeah, we're gonna pass Serengeti Flyer here in a minute. See, down there are the elephants. Here's Serengeti Flyer.
I've been on it once.
It's loading, so it'll probably be taking off here in a minute.
It's fun.
Oh no, wait. So that's the elephant. That's like the elephant. That's like the backstage area. See, there's the elephants over there. Hello. It's like Serengeti Flyer's getting ready to take off. Okay, like we're coming up to the first half of it, and the next part of it will take us to Stanleyville. So yeah, we get to get off up here, then get on the next set of cars. Oh yeah, now this is Phoenix Rising, Penguin Trek SeaWorld. This is the Phoenix Rising construction area over here.
That's cool.
So, you also try to collect enough tickets, which you get whenever you visit. If you get 5 of them, you get to go to the preview for this ride. So that's what I'm trying to go for here. Here we go. We're going into the first stop. Or does it just? Where do you get off here? Or does it just spin around and you go the other way? Oh no, it just spins around.
Yeah. You don't really really have to
Oh, I
go
thought you.
on.
Oh, never. This is my first time riding it, so
You don't really
I'm not
have
too not familiar with this. Okay. Yeah, it just spins you onto this.
Yes.
To this part of the ride.
Yep. It's
All
like
right.
a checkpoint.
It's like a midway point. Yes. Okay, I thought you had to get off there.
No.
Okay. I'm not. Okay, they're now Serengeti Flyers moving. Oh, and there goes Falcon's Fury. Let's watch this go up and then come back down. See, now they're all going to be facing the ground.
Yeah. That's the scary part.
We're going over the Pantopia area of the park.
Yeah.
And soon we will be at we're at the Stanleyville station. So,
Yes.
I see props for like the Christmas, like a Christmas show there.
Yeah.
Pantopia, there goes Kumba. All right, we're about ready to get off up here.
It's much better walking the whole park.
Yeah, it's a nice, gives you a nice view. It's another way to get around besides the train. Yeah, there goes Shikra, there goes Tigris.
There goes the train.
Oh yes, the train.
Coming in
All right, we're getting off now. How was it?
Good.
Awesome.
It's just like I remembered.
Watch it and watch your steps.
All right, thank you. All right, so now we're off the ride. Oh, it's awesome. That was my first time ever going on it. And you've been on it.
I've been on it multiple times many years ago before it shut down.
Right, it's been closed for like the last 4 years or something like that. So it was nice to finally ride it for once.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.
Got it? I can't do it. Why don't they just get one at the beginning, one at the end of that? I don't know.
All right. Thank you. All right, now we're taking the ride the other way. So over that part of the park, we watched a Neil Diamond cover band, which was a really good show. And I rode Shikra. So that's Shikra right there that just went around that loop. So So now we're heading back over there. Hopefully Cheetah Hunt will be open. We can see the ice show Turn It Up remix. I may ride Montu and Cobra's Curse over there. I don't know why they were sending out so many buckets empty.
I don't know.
That was kind of strange. Like 4 or 5 in a row before we got on, they sent them all out empty.
They used to do that back in COVID.
I don't know what the reason for that was, but I don't know if it has something to do with like weight distribution, maybe. Maybe so it doesn't put too much weight on the wire. That might be the reason. So now here we're going over the, whoa, sorry.
Let me go over here.
No. Yeah, now we're going over the construction site for Phoenix Rising. So they're putting down some footers. You get a really good view of it from up here. There's footers over there. Right now we're at the midpoint where the ride makes an L turn here. Checkpoint only, not an exit, so you cannot get off here. So now we're going to get another view of the construction site for Phoenix Rising. We got Falcon's Fury going up again. Right there. Yeah, see now Falcon's Fury, see they're all facing the ground. Like they're all face down up there at the top. I haven't seen Iron Gwazi running yet, so I think it's still down. There's Serengeti Flyer. Didn't. There's the elephants again. Let's see, hopefully Cheetah Hunt will be open. We're about to go under it up here. Oh yes, it's open. There it goes. We're heading to Cheetah Hunt after we get off here, depending on the wait time. Oh, here we go.
That was cool.
It'd been cool if we were going right under it when that was going over top of us.
Yeah.
Very cool. Nice if we could have timed that just that way, but it's just gonna be pure luck if you get it like that. So there's no way you can time it to get on there. hippo viewing center right there. That was a hippo. I don't see. It's probably in the water. Alright, now we're back at the other end. So you can only ride this one way. You cannot do a round trip unless you have a wheelchair, since you cannot bring wheelchairs on the ride. So, alright, we're getting off here. So, thank you. Alright, so we did one trip around. So, alright, well, thank you for watching. And I'll see you again on another video very soon. Thank you.